Hi everyone, welcome to Electronic Technocrats. In today's tutorial, I will be telling you about how to identify different type of resistors by using their color code. In market, if you go, you will find different values of resistor. And now the dilemma is, what is the value of a particular resistor? If a shopkeeper hands you a resistor, you will see that there are some color bands on it. Alright, we don't know what does each band means, but in this tutorial I will be telling you about what each and every color band actually mean and how can you calculate it just by doing it in a fraction of seconds. Just like that. That's perfect, just in the snap of fingers. Alright, so the first step, what we have to do, or the first thing that we have to know about the color code, is this table. This table is a very important table. What does this thing mean here? The first digit, the second digit, the third digit, the multiplier, the tolerance level. What does that mean? It might be a new thing to you, but it is very easy. Alright, now what I will do is will show you a demo. Okay, so here I draw a resistor here. Just don't go on a drawing also. Just don't go on a drawing also, because I am a very bad artist. So just ignore the drawing. Just get the concept what I'm trying to tell you here. Alright, here is the red band, what I'm trying to draw here. Here is another red band. Now this is just an example, alright? I'm just taking an example to teach you what does this first digit, the second digit, the third digit, the multiplier and the tolerance actually mean, and what does the table mean. Alright, so we have done with red. Now we will take some brown color here. Okay, I'm not filling it like I'm filling an empty drawing, but I'm trying to tell you the importance of the color code. Alright, so I take gold here. Where I fill the gold color. Alright, so now I have taken a resistor which is a 4-band resistor. Alright, how do I identify that this is a 4-band resistor? Very simple. Alright, this is the first color, this is the second color, this is the third color, and this is the fourth color. Alright, so now we will see the significance of each band. This tells us about the first digit of the resistance value. This tells us about the second digit of the resistance value. This tells us about the third digit of the resistance value, and this thing, the thing in the gold here, the gold band, tells us about the tolerance. Alright, this third band also tells us about the multiplication factor. Alright, now I will come back to all of this here. First, we have been seeing that this is red. So what did I say to you? What is this red color? This is the indicating the first digit of the value of the resistance. Alright, what are we doing? We are calculating the value of a resistor and using a color code. Alright, first is the red, and what does it suggest to you? It suggests the first digit of the value of resistor, isn't it? The second band is again red, and what does it show? It shows you the second digit of the value. What does the third band tell you? That is brown here. The brown has two meanings. First, it shows us the third digit, or it tells us what is the multiplication factor. I will come back to you what is multiplication factor here. Alright, and the fourth one, gold, tells us the tolerance. That's correct. The fourth band tells us about the, yes, that's correct, tells us about the tolerance level. Now, the first two bands indicate the first two digits of the value of resistor. The third band is used as a multiplier. The fourth band is used to indicate the tolerance. Alright, now for example I have taken red, brown and gold. How much is the value? Can you guess? Yes, the correct. R is equal to 220 ohm. So is the value of this resistor. So whenever you see a resistor with these 4 colors, remember it is 220 ohms. How did I get it? Now come back to the table. First, what did I say? It is red. So now I will mark accordingly here. First, what did I say? It was red. Alright, so what's the red indicating? The digit number 2. Second is red as well, so again it will come as 2. The third thing is a brown. We won't go in this thing. This thing is used only when we use a 5 band or a 6 band color system. Alright, so we won't go here. So that the third digit, or we can say the brown color, indicates the multiplication factor here. The multiplication factor, that is this column. So what is it? It's the brown color, so multiplication factor will be 10. And now what is the tolerance level? What is the color of tolerance? It's gold, so it is gold. Alright, so what did we get here? Red, that is the second, that is the first digit of the color resistance, that indicates 2. Again it's red, so again it indicates 2. It is brown, so it indicates the multiplication factor, that is 10 here. Look at this, you have to look like this here. Alright, brown, so multiplication factor is 10. Tolerance, the color is gold, so 5. So did you get this? How did I get it? Isn't it? So by this, what do we get is 2, 2, that is, now I will change my color again here. So what we get is the value 2 here. Here we get the value 2 again. Here we get a multiplying factor of 10. And here we get a tolerance of plus minus 5%. So if we combine all this, we get this thing. Okay, I had just forgot to write this. First plus minus 5%. Alright, this is the value of resistors, and this is the tolerance, fellas. This is the tolerance. Tolerance is how much a resistor is capable of withstanding the current. How much current can it withstand? Is plus minus 5% current it can easily withstand without any burning or without any damage. Alright, so I hope you get how did I get this value of 220 ohms, isn't it? To summarize it again, red color, go into the red column, you will go into the first digit column, you will find the 2. Again it's red color, so go into the second digit column, you will find 2. Third is the brown, so go into the brown, in the multiplication factor what we can say column, you will find a number called 10 in the line of this brown color. Then we go into the tolerance column, we will find 5% J, that is in the gold column. And it isn't this that easy? So now we will take another color. Alright, so now we will take another color, so we will rub this off here. Okay, we will rub this off, we will take more 1 or 2 examples so that your concept will be crystal clear right now. Alright, so now I will change the colors as well. Okay, so now I will change the colors as well. So here we go, we will change the colors as well. So the first, so again I draw a resistor here. Alright, so now I will fill in the colors. Now I will take orange. Where is the orange? Alright, here is the orange. Okay, I will draw orange, 2 bands of oranges. Alright, so I'm filling this here, the what we can say, the oranges, and here we have what we are gonna fill each of the resistor color band with a single color. Alright, here I will fill it with the brown color. and now in the end I will fill it with the golden color. Here we go, the golden. Alright, so what did I tell you in the first what we can say, first example? I told you this is the first digit, this is second digit, this tells us about the multiplier, and this tells us about the tolerance. That's correct. You still remember it. That's good. The first band is orange, the second is orange again, the third is brown, and the fourth is golden again. So now we will go on to this table again. Here I will indicate you. First is the orange, first digit, orange row. What is the value? 3. That's correct. Now again orange, that is the second digit, the orange row, and the second digit column, what we get is 3. That's perfect. Now we again go to brown, the brown row, multiplication factor column, it's 10 again. And now again that's gold, so gold, the row in which there is gold color, the column in which there is tolerance, what does it correspond to? It corresponds to plus minus 5 value. Alright, so what will you write in the end here? This gives you the value 3, this gives you the value 3, this gives you the multiplication factor 10, and this gives you the tolerance plus minus 5%. So what's your answer in the end? Any guesses? Yes. Now you're becoming a champion in it, isn't it? 330 ohm plus minus 5%. That's the value of this resistor. Okay, so now you can easily find out any resistor's value by using this. Yes, correct. By using this color code, which I am trying to show you here. By using this color code, you will have to remember this what we can say, the table very nicely, so that you are very much accurate in understanding, or we can say finding out the value of resistor. So I hope you are crystal clear with these two examples. So that's it for today. So I will come back to you with the next tutorial in the next video. Till then, like, subscribe, and do comment about what you feel or what changes should be made in my upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Have a nice day.